Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna quickly walk you through that how to send location on WhatsApp. For this one, you have to go to your WhatsApp app. After that, you have to click on this attachment bar. Then you can see here is an option that called location. You have to tap on it. Then you can share your live location and send your current location. So I will show you both sides. Now I am currently showing you share live location. So you have to tap on your share live location. Then you can set here that 15 minutes, 1 hour or 8 hour, that how much long your live location show. Then I can send this. After that, your location will be sharing live with your friend. Then you can pretty much stop sharing your location by clicking this stop sharing option. After that, you have to click on stop. Then your location will be stop sharing with your friend. On the other side, you can send your current location with your friend. You have to click on this attachment bar. After that, you have to click on location. Then you can click on this send your current location. Then immediately your location will be shared with your friend. So that's how you can send your live location or current location with your friend in WhatsApp. I hope this video helped you. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and like this video. Till then, peace.